If you want to make a profitable digital product that sells like a boss, you've got to stick to a golden rule. That is, your digital item must be based on a real problem or issue people are looking for a solution or facts to it. Therefore, your digital product what fixes this problem in the form of ebook, course, checklist, cheat sheet, and the like. So here a good question comes up where we can find these real problem or the pressing issues people are looking for a real facts to it. Here you can find different ways, either on social media, articles, YouTube, or even the gold mine on Google itself. Here if you go to Google and look for something about your niche you're interested in, like in weight loss, coaching, parenting, and so on. For example, if I type something like how to motivate myself. Here you can scroll all the way to a specific gold mine here on Google that says that people also ask. Here you can find the most pressing issues and questions people are asking on the regular basis, if not daily. Like this one, how do I self-motivate myself? What are the top 3 motivations and so on. So here you can take each of these questions and convert to a digital item. So for sure, these tasks to search for your topics and hot trending topics regarding your niche you are interested in, and convert these questions to a profitable and easy to make digital item. It's a daunting task. So what about I just give you a stunning AI tool that works for you and with tailored system that would save you time and effort and provide you in front of your eyes directly your digital product you are gonna make. This tool is Ask to Asset. Here you can convert your people also ask questions to valuable assets. It could be articles, digital item ideas, section of a frequently asked question to your article and so on, LinkedIn post, short script and so on. Therefore here just you can sign up here in this amazing tool. Then here you can find in this first drop down menu select your niche. Here you can find a wide range of these niches, highly demanded niches currently, like life coaching, leadership, parenting, pets, survival hacks, camping, and so on. But for sure, every single niche would be added here in this database and in this drop-down menu and this tool. Or even if you want your niche here, if you're interested in, this is not here in this set, here you can go to this part that says request that we will add it fast. So here you can request your niche you want to be added to this list as soon as possible. Anyway, here if you just find your niche from this group, like I would like to select something like parenting, okay, and here in this topic, here you can find the most trending topics regarding this niche. Like here you can go to this one topic, and for sure here in this tool you can find 3 different pricing plans, including the free one. And here you can find in this free plan you can find some limitation regarding the topics and the questions. So here if you want the big selection of topics, you can for sure upgrade your plan to marketer or business one, or you can stick with these 3 only visible topics for every single niche. So here as for parenting, I would like to select something like positive parenting techniques, and you can find also some limitations as well on the questions section. So I would like to select something like the first one, what are the 5 positive parenting skills. So just to go for the first one. And here in this free plan you can find these 2 buttons are allowed only for free user: digital product ideas and frequently asked questions. Tailored for you system that would help you and save your time and effort to get perfect ideas, feasible and affordable and easy to make digital items that sells like a boss. So here you can go to this one, digital product ideas, click over it, and here you can find this result would be like that. So here you can find these detailed ideas, how you can do that, how you can pricing and so on. Like this one, positive parenting 101, like quick guide for busy parents. Here you can just a concise guide outlining the core principles and the practical tips of positive parenting for parents seeking effective strategy. And here you can quick create as these existing resources and experiences in under 2 hours. This one is milestone. And here you can monetize your digital item just by give it price like $9 as a downloadable PDF on a platform like Etsy and Shopify. Here it's a guide for you how you can make this one, how easy you can build your own digital item that sells like a rocket, that solves this amazing question in this topic in this specific niche. And as for pricing, okay, as you see, or this amazing one, that's a positive parenting printable affirmation cards. It's amazing and mind-blowing digital item for this niche, by the way. Here you can set printable cards with positive affirmations and parenting reminders to encourage nurturing environment at home and so on. So you can create this digital item in particular on Canva and some tools and give it price like this one, $12, and you can sell them in different marketplaces. And here the likewise all these like journal and something else like video series or course, or this one like email mini course and so on and so forth. Here you can find feasible and amazing digital product ideas to create your digital items that based on real issue people are looking for a real solution to them. So here you can build your own digital items on different websites like for Invest Create, Canva as you want, or even you can get your own digital item from this bundle of 30 million digital products. I just leave its link down below in the description box in the first comment to find many of these digital items like checklist, cheat sheets, and templates on Canva and so on. Here you can find this big bundle here waiting for you if you are interested in. Or simply you can head over to canva.com, okay, and look for something like parenting flashcards. Here you can keep it and you can find a wide range of these card styles, and for sure you can get this the core message here from ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, and so on, and feed these styles and these affirmation cards or flashcards that align with your own parenting and solves this issue and this problem as you see. Or you can look for something like checklist, journal, and so on regarding this digital items that you got from Ask to Asset tool. So you've got to try this amazing tool that help you more to save your time and your effort to find real ideas to create your digital items, and how you can do that simply with no effort and with no time. So I would like to leave all these links down below in the description box and the first comment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.